Hey, magandang buhay! So ako si Sir Ben at narito ako upang ituro paano nga ba mag-divide ng polynomials using the long division method. Okay, so ready ka na? Great! So let us have the first example. So we have the quantity of 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 divided by the quantity of x minus 3. So kapag gagamitin natin yung long division, para lang tayo nagdi-divide ng whole numbers. Itong first number na to, ito yung nasa loob, which is yung dividend, and then yung divisor natin, siya yung nasa labas. Okay? Step by step tayo. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. Yung dalawang nakikita nyo na binilugan ko ng color red, yan yung i-divide muna natin. Okay? So, 2x cubed divided by x, that would be 2x squared. Okay? So, again, yung pagkaka-align na, yung 2x squared, naka-align siya sa negative 3x squared. Okay? Alignment is very important here. Okay? Para at least malinis yung pagkakagawa natin. Next na gagawin natin, yung sagot natin na 2x squared, i-multiply natin yan doon sa binomial natin na x minus 3. So, ganito yung pag-multiply niya na yung 2x squared multiply doon sa quantity ng x minus 3. So, this will be 2x cubed minus 6x squared. Okay? Ayan siya. Next na gagawin natin dyan, pagma-minus natin. 2x cubed minus 3x squared. Okay? Minus 2x cubed minus 6x squared. Ganyan siya. So, bali magiging ganito yan ha. Pagkita ko lang siya. So, syempre, yung negative, yung minus sign natin, i-distribute na natin siya dito. Kaya naging negative 2x cubed plus 6x squared. So, syempre, magiging 0 na yung 2x cubed saka yung negative 2x cubed. So, yung matitira na lang dyan, that would be positive 3x squared. Okay? Next, bring down natin yung negative 10x. Now, ano yung next na gagawin? Uulitin na natin yung ginawa natin doon sa kanina. Divide natin yung 3x squared at saka yung x. Ayan, yung nakikita yung dalawang binilugan ko. So, yung quotient nila, that would be 3x. So, again, naka-align. Kung makikita nyo dito, lahat ng nandito, puro x squared. Lahat na nandito, puro may letter x. Okay? Next na gagawin ko nyan is, yung nakuha kong quotient dito yung 3x. Okay? Yun yung i-multiply ko doon sa binomial natin, doon sa ating divisor na x minus 3. So, bali magiging 3x times the quantity of x minus 3. Ayan siya. So, yung magiging sagot niya, that would be 3x squared minus 9x. Ayan siya. And then, subtract natin yung binomials natin. So, mangyayari niya, that would be 3x squared minus 10x. Tapos, distribute ko na yung negative, yung minus symbol natin. So, that would be negative 3x squared plus 9x. So, syempre, yung 3x squared minus 3x squared, 0 na siya. So, performing the operation doon sa natira, that would be negative x. Susunod na gagawin natin, bring down natin yung 3. So, ayun siya. So, negative x plus 3. So, again, i-divide lang natin yung negative x by x. Ayan, yung nakikita yung bibilugan ko. I-divide natin sila ngayon. So, that would be negative 1. Now, i-multiply natin. Yung nakuha natin quotient, yung bagong quotient na nakuha natin, that would be negative 1 times x minus 3. So, that would be negative x plus 3. Ayan siya. So, i-multiply lang natin yan. And then, subtract. So, syempre, ito yan. Ganyan siya. So, negative x plus 3 minus x minus 3. Kasi, didistribute na natin yung negative symbol dito. So, syempre, yung negative x at saka yung positive x, 0 na yan. Same thing with 3 at saka yung negative 3. 0 na rin yan. Therefore, wala tayong remainder. So, yung sagot natin, when we divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 by the quantity of x minus 3, yung sagot natin is 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay? Let's have another example. So, let's have the quantity of 9x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 5 divided by the quantity of 3x plus 2. Okay, so paano gagawin natin dito? Ganun din, yung ginawa natin kanina. So again, yung first number natin, o yung first term natin na 9x cubed, i-divide natin siya dun sa first term ng binomial natin, which is yung 3x. Okay, ayan, i-divide natin sila. So that would be 3x squared. Next, yung quotient na nakuha natin, i-multiply natin sa buong divisor natin. So that would be 3x squared times the quantity of 3x plus 2. So kung i-multiply natin yan, that would be 9x cubed plus 6x squared. Then, subtract. So syempre, magiging 9x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x cubed minus 6x squared. Ayan siya. So yung 9x cubed minus 9x cubed, 0 na yan. So, ang matitira na lang doon is negative. Pakita ko lang ha. Ayan siya. So, ito. Makakancel na ito. Tapos ito. Negative 3x squared minus 6x squared. That would be negative 9x squared. Next, bring down natin yung negative 9x. Susunod, eto ha, i-divide natin yung first term dun sa first term ng ating divisor. Okay? So, i-divide natin sila. So, yung magiging sagot niyan, that would be negative 3x. And then, i-multiply natin yung negative 3x dun sa ating buong divisor. Okay? So, that would be, multiply natin yan. So, we will get negative 9x squared minus 6x. And then, subtract natin. So, definitely magiging negative 9x squared minus 9x plus 9x squared plus 6x. So, definitely this will become negative 3x. Bring down yung 5. Next, i-divide natin yung first term, which is yung negative 3x by 3x dito. So, we will get negative 1. And then, yung negative 1 na to, i-multiply natin dun sa buong divisor natin. So, we will get a negative 3x minus 2. And then, subtract natin. So, syempre, ito magiging positive 3x. Ito naman magiging positive 2. So, performing the operation now, yung ating remainder is 7. Okay? So, yung answer natin when 9x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 2, ang ating sagot is 3x squared minus 3x minus 1 plus 7 over 3x plus 2. So, ganito natin isulat yung ating final answer. Okay? Ito yung remainder natin. Tapos over yung ating divisor. Okay? Down to our last example. So, let's have the quantity of x raised to 4 minus 18x squared plus 9x minus 5 divided by the quantity of x minus 4. So, same lang. Kung paano natin ginawa yung first two examples, ganun din yung gagawin natin dito. Sir Ben, bakit may 0 dyan? Tignan mo yung powers dito ha. 4, tapos bigla-bigla 2, nawala si 3. So, kapag nagdi-divide tayo, si 2, kompleto sila. Kapag nawala yung isang power, dagdagan mo, kagaya ng ginawa ko dito. Okay, na nakikita mo sa screen natin. Okay, so let us proceed. So again, yung first term, okay, i-divide natin sa first term ng ating divisor. And that would be, tama ka, x cubed. Next, yung x cubed na yan, i-multiply natin doon sa ating buong divisor. So we will have x raised to 4 minus 4x cubed. Next, subtract natin. So syempre, x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, 0 na yon. Yung 0x cubed plus, kasi negative, pag dinistribute mo siya, magiging positive na yun dito. Okay? So, plus 4x cubed, that would be still 4x cubed. Next na gagawin natin, tama ka, bring down natin yung negative 18x squared. And then, repeat the process, i-divide natin yung 4x cubed, eto, yung 4x cubed na to, doon sa first term ng ating divisor, which is yung x. So, 4x cubed divided by x, that would be positive 4x squared. So, next na gagawin, i-multiply natin ito doon sa buong divisor. So, that would be 4x cubed minus 16x squared. And then, subtract natin. So, syempre, magiging 0 na to kasi magiging negative na yon. Plus, negative, plus. Okay? So, doon sa subtraction of natin, integers, di ba? Keep, flip, change, KFC. So, dito yan, magiging positive niyan tayo dito. So, negative 18x squared plus 16x squared, that would be negative 2x squared. Bring down yung 9x. And then, yung negative 2x squared, i-divide natin dito. So, kapag nagdi-divide tayo, lagi mo lang siyang dinidivide doon sa first term ng binomial natin. In that case, yung may pinakamataas na power, which is x. So, in this case, this will be negative 2x squared divided by x, that would be negative 2x. So, sunod na gagawin natin, yung nakuha nating quotient doon, yung negative 2x, i-multiply natin siya sa buong divisor natin, which is yung x minus 4. So, that would be negative 2x squared plus 8x. Ayan siya. Subtract natin. So, proceed tayo sa addition dito. Change tayo ng sign dun sa loob. So, plus positive 2x squared minus 8x. Performing that operation, ang makukuha lang natin na sagot is x. Lastly, bring down yung negative 5. Again, yung x, i-divide sa x. Itong x na to, i-divide natin siya dito. So, that would be, tama ka, 1. So, multiply lang natin yan. Yung 1, multiply lang natin sa x minus 4. Definitely, that would be x minus 4. Subtract natin yan. So, this will be x minus 5 plus negative x plus 4. So, makukuha nating sagot niyan is negative 1. So, ganito natin isulat yung sagot natin. So, isulat niyo yung quotient. Again, ito yung quotient natin. And then, ito yung remainder. Kapag isulat natin yung buong answer natin, that would be x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, yun yung quotient natin. Plus negative 1 over x minus 4. Okay? So, matrabaho lang siya, pero madali lang. As long as you know how to follow the steps, as long as you know how to divide a monomial by a monomial, multiply a monomial to a binomial, to add and subtract polynomials, hindi ka mahihirapan dito. Again, inuulit ko, matrabaho lang, mahaba lang siyang gawin, pero madali lang siya. Okay? And syempre, with that, maraming salamat sa pagkikinig and magandang buhay.